Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we will learn on how we can create a program, a very simple program by using 1D, and we want to pass two 1D value to the function. In this example, we have a multiple of number in 1D declaration, and we want to pass these all values in 1D variable and display all numbers in the display number function. First of all, let's say we have 5 numbers and we want to set these 5 numbers in one declaration. Let's say the data type is integer, variable name is x equal to multiple of number. Let's say for example 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So don't forget to set here since these numbers belongs to one declaration variable of array. So we need to set here square bracket. Either we can set here 5 or let this square bracket empty because the C program will know this there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values here. Right? So since we are using a function, so we need to have a fundamental on how we can design a function. So the first one we need to declare function declaration. The first step is function declaration, right? So let's say the function type is void. The name of function is display number bracket, and we want to pass this all value 10 until 50 into this function. So we need to identify the data type of this value that will be passed to this function. So since this data is integer, we must set here integer, and we must to declare another variable that will hold this value. Let's say for example num, and then we need to set the size of array is 5 semicolon, right? So the second step here is function calls, meaning that we want to call this function display num, and we want to pass these values or an array of x. So meaning that the whole value in here will be dumped and passed to this function. And the third step is function definition, or another name that we call function body. Just copy and paste here and remove the semicolon and put curly bracket. So make sure that the variable names up here and also here is similar, and here we're going to use for looping in order to display the whole number in this value. Integer I for I equal to 0 because the indexing starts from 0. I is less than the size of array I plus plus. So here will be the formatting of the output %d. Since num here is a variable that we call it the local variable, so meaning that num variable only applicable in these functions only. Num I. Try to run the program. So we need to adjust the formatting here. Let's say we want to put comma. Run the program again. So we have the output here. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So this is example, a very simple example on how we can pass 1D array to the function. So you may try another example of multiple of function that may be passed from different values from different 1D declaration.